Good afternoon, everybody. Techout here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the OnePlus 9 5G. And I picked this up because I wanted to get back on the Android 12 beta and see what it's all about. I know there's a lot of new stuff that's come out, and I wanted a good device to try that with, so I went with OnePlus, mainly because of Oxygen OS and how they implement all the new features and all the new features that they come out with themselves. And the fact that we have a new Pixel coming out next month, so I didn't obviously want to buy like a Pixel 4a or a Pixel 5 or anything like that. Also, I couldn't find one. So this is the OnePlus 9. It is the black one. I've already cut the tape on the bottom just so we didn't have to fool with that in the video. So we're going to go ahead and pull the cover off here. And right up on the top here we have the OnePlus. And this does have wireless charging, so that is very nice. You get your NFC area up here. They just marked that out for you on the paper. Fingerprint sensors all the way down here at the bottom, which is kind of weird. It'll take some getting used to down there. That's what a lot of people have been saying, but it's not too bad. Usually it's kind of like this area right here. Then we just have a little notice about the SIM card. Do not attempt to disassemble the back cover. OnePlus is not responsible for any damage arising from unauthorized disassembly of the device. You may contact our customer support for help or other inquiries. So that's just a little warning there. To maximize the performance of our in-display fingerprint sensor, we recommend using screen protectors from OnePlus and our official partners. So there's the phone. We're going to put this aside for a second. We'll come back to this in a minute. Right here we have just a little sleeve. There's some stuff in here. We'll get to that in a second as well. And this is our big boy charger right here. This is the Warp Charge 65. This phone charges from 0 to 100% in about 30 minutes or less. So very, very nice. We have our USB-C to C cable right here in the OnePlus Red. That's always been a nice cable. And it's very nice that OnePlus still includes one of these, because Samsung and Apple do not. Not only do they include one, but it's a 65 watt charger. Super fast, super quick performance. Which is nice considering some companies don't even give you one at all. I'm going to put that over to the side real quick. Let's look and see what is in here. We have a little fold down part right here. Ooh, okay, so there's nothing up here. I think in some places you may get one of those silicone, or not silicone, one of those TPU style cases. That probably would be right there. I believe in the USA market we do not get those. Some carrier devices might have it, but this unlocked one that I picked up from Best Buy does not. And then we just have our paperwork right here. This is co-developed with Hasselblad for the camera. We have our SIM eject pin right here. Just a little note from the CEO under there. They've been including that for a while. We've got our quick start guide right here. Safety information on the SAR value, and then we have our OnePlus stickers right here. They give you a nice sheet of them. Surprised there's no like Hasselblad or anything on there, but just all OnePlus stickers right there. And then the star of the show right here is the OnePlus 9 with our Hasselblad camera. Like I said, this is the black one, so we're going to go ahead and take this off. Oop. There we go. It looks like we may have a pre-installed screen protector. So that's not just one that comes off. It looks like that is pre-installed. We'll leave that on for now. Take this sticker off because it's got the IMEI and everything on it. It looks like this is a single IMEI model. I know some have two, depending on your location. I'm just going to stick that on the box in case I need it. One thing about this device is the sides are plastic on the non-Pro. The Pros have the metal sides. You really can't tell too much. You just don't get that cold metal feel. But they're smooth. They don't feel. It doesn't feel cheap or anything. The back is still glass. Obviously the front's still glass. It's a nice size, 6.54 inches, I believe. So a good size phone. We got your hole punch camera right up here on the top, and then we have the famous OnePlus 3-position ring vibrate and silent switch right there. Power key right here, volume keys on this side, and your USB-C charge port on the bottom. We do not get a headphone jack on the 9 series. So that is that. I'm not going to power it on right this second because I'm going to be installing the beta on this. I just checked their website. It looks like the links might have been removed for a little bit for some reason. So I'm going to try to find those and see if we can get the beta installed on this, and then I'll come back and do a video on that. So that's just an unboxing on the OnePlus 9. I'm Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Have a great day.